Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD supervised video. So we are finally on version 12.5 on the hardware 3 vehicles. So we've been on 12.3.6 for probably more than 4 months, I would say. It's been crazy wait for everyone. I know a lot of people that are still not getting it. So it's coming out in waves. Like I think the wave around 600 people got it. Like funnily enough though, um I had an issue downloading it the first two times I got it, just like a week ago, and then finally, I troubleshooted a little bit. I got an error. I'll post a little bit of a snippet here to show how much I struggled to get this done. I troubleshooted this. Someone on X helped me as well. Tim, thank you so much for helping me with the troubleshooting. Had to do something with the USB. So, anyways, we've got 12.5.2.1 right now, and yeah, it has monitoring. So you've got vision based attention monitoring. I'm going to remove my sunglasses over here to test this out. This is a new area that I'm testing right now. It's a little bit of a residential area. It does go through a roundabout at the beginning, and let's see how it goes. I've got a few waypoints mapped over here. Whoa, okay, that was new. So as you can see on the map, it does show that I'm supposed to be turning right, but it it started turning left for some reason. Um, do I have the monitoring, because I don't see that dot over here? Let's see if oh, there we go. It comes up now. Okay, I just because I this disengaged, that's why it disappeared. So that was a weird that was a weird left turn. I don't know what it was trying to do over there. Um, to be honest, I should have waited out and see where it was trying to head. So it's clear on the left. We should be able to go. There is a little bit of jerkiness on the steering wheel as it's turning on slow speeds. So as we know, this is an ongoing issue from version 12. It hasn't gone away, to be honest. So there you have it. I'm going to put these blinds down just to. It's a very sunny day here in Calgary. So we're coming up to this roundabout over here. It doesn't see the 30-kilometer speed zone, but it's actually driving um, at a good speed, I would say. Okay, let's just do this thing here. We've got a car right behind me. The car behind me is getting a little bit confused. And yeah, it's right on my tail. And because we are taking this weird right positioning on the lane, he's kind of confused a little bit. Goes in very smoothly. There's no brakes and no hesitation at all, and comes out of the roundabout with a nice indicator to indicate that we're exiting the roundabout as well. Very happy with that. Correct speed limit over here. This is 60 to stretch over the highway on the bridge. I am running on average profile over here, climbing up to 60 km per hour. So what I'm trying to see over here is how's the speed, the auto speed, if there's any improvements there. And quite frankly, it's picking the right speed over here. It's a little bit on the slow side. I would go a little bit faster, but this is again average profile. I'm trying not to be biased here, or trying not push it to be faster or slower by choosing chill or assertive. So, anyways, folks, thanks so much for the long wait. And I know that there hasn't been a lot of content that's coming out from my side. I'm slowly starting to post a lot of more content. So please stay tuned, and please hit the notification button. For those who have been waiting, subscribed, and did not unsubscribe, thank you so much. For those who always watch me and didn't subscribe yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can get notified whenever a video drops. Nice slowdown over here. This is, I'd like it to get into the intersection over here. I am probably going to, oh yeah, a little bit of hesitation there. A little bit of a jerkiness to take off on that green light. Not too bad, to be honest. And this is quite high traffic area over here. I noticed just off the bad that it doesn't really accelerate that much anymore. This is a 30-kilometer speed zone, doesn't detect it, so I'm going to manually disengage here. Um, Tiny roundabout over here does this very well, no issues at all. Saying please pay attention to the road. It's still creeping up to a 40 over here. Um, let's see, it's going to have to do a U-turn at that roundabout over there. This is also a quite wide road, so I don't think it's very challenging for it. So yeah, folks, if you are looking to buy a Tesla, the referral program is back. And if you want to support a small content creator like myself, my referral link is going to be at the description down below and also on the screen over here. So yeah, you'll head over to that link and it says your referral code from NART has been applied. So that's my name. So yeah, if you buy a car with using my referral, you'll get $1,000 off US dollars, or 1,300, I think, Canadian off, and I will get a little bit of an incentive as well. So yeah, folks, thanks so much. If you're going to use it, please make sure you share it with your family members. It'll support me a lot. Another 30-kilometer speed zone that it doesn't detect. So yeah, to be honest, I haven't driven here in the previous version, so I'm not too sure. I'm going to engage over here, just trying to get it to not go over the speed limit so that I don't get a ticket. And I've spoiler alert, I got a ticket before because of driving over 30, and it was because of FSD. So end of playground zone over here, so we're safe to go faster, and then we'll do a left turn over here. So the green light is up over there. Would like the car to hurry up a little bit so that you can catch that green light. Oh, it changes to a yellow, and we're too slow. Okay, not too bad. We'll fast forward over here. Okay, so we got the green light, a nice acceleration there, no hesitation at all. And yeah, it's still got that boost where it goes 10 over, 15 over. Yeah, it's going well over the 60, and it knows it's 60. So I really don't understand why it does that. Maybe because there's like no cars around it, so it can't really gauge the right speed limit. So it's very, very familiar behavior with the version 12.3.6. Um, yeah, smoothness, I don't know. Like, it could be a little bit more smoother. But I honestly I can't notice that. I feel like I've driven with 12.3.6 for such a long time that I would have noticed a big difference if it does actually, um, if there is actually a big difference. So yeah, we're coming up to a left turn over here. This is a three-way stop. And yeah, so the car on our ride has the right of way. This is a 30-kilometer speed zone. Does not detect it at all. Hey, interesting. Another three-way stop over here. Coming to a complete zero. So yeah, that person over there should have taken his turn or her turn. She did actually start driving, and we're going again too fast here. Yeah, a lot of disengagements, and then I did pick a tricky area, like with a lot of um, school zones and 30-kilometer speed zones and so on. Slow down a bit. Another disengagement. So I'm not at this point. I'm not going to count the disengagements because and they're not really, they're just speed related disengagements. They're nothing to do with the way it's driving. It's just it really needs to know these ground, like these rules of playground zones and stuff like that. It's very important for it. So I'm gonna give it a tap over here. Okay, coming up to a stop here. We're gonna take a left. Okay, it'll be interesting to come here during when the school's out. Maybe I might do that. It'll probably be a very tricky one. Okay, let's remove this one. Now it's telling me to pay attention because I'm looking at the screen. There we go. So if you folks don't know about this, the attention monitoring system, if you're looking at the map for a while, it does tend to like start telling you to pay attention, and all you need to do is just look straight into the road, and it'll go away. So that's the beauty of it. You don't really need to touch your steering wheel anymore or apply a torque anymore. It's literally hands free. So a four-way stop over here. Nicely done. Again, I can't find any faults. I know a lot of folks were mentioning things about the intersections where when it's a green light, it doesn't go, things like that. I haven't really noticed that, to be honest. Like so far, we've been through 3, 4 lights, I think. This is another one here. And yeah, I'll probably make this run again with during school hours. And yeah, it's a green light right now, and it takes off. So yeah, I can't really find any issues, to be honest. That's pretty good on the intersections. I'd like to test advanced green, so I know a lot of folks in the states don't have that. It's pretty much it pretty much has to do with okay, and that's it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a take our route to the highway and see how it does merging into the highway. So yeah, I know a lot of folks that don't have advanced greens. I think in the states it's not a really a major thing. It's where you have flashing green light that tells you that with an arrow. FSD version 12 actually gets a little bit confused with that. Um, it tends to think that the green light's coming on and then going off, so it starts jerking, and it doesn't. And not all the time, to be honest. It's just specific intersections where it does that. So it's a very weird issue, mostly Canadian based, to be honest, and in selected regions as well in Canada, not only not everywhere. So we'll have a look over here. Oh, yellow light over here. There's a nice smooth stop. Okay, that was very unanticipated, to be honest, because I feel like every time there's a sudden change in the light, I feel like it just slams on the brakes on version 12.3.6. It seems like 12.5 is a little bit more refined. So to be honest, over here, okay, we are headed east on the highway, so this is correct. We are in the correct lane. Let's see. I'm excited to see how it's gonna merge into the highway. All right, so let's see if it's got that lane dancing. Not much of lane dancing on the two left turning lanes. That's another issue that we have on 12.3.6. I'll probably do my residential route test just to make sure that it is actually, in fact, gone away. Because it's only certain intersections where you get a lot of lane dancing that I noticed as well. Oof, I tell you what, without sunglasses, my eyes are just killing me. I can't wait till we get the. It's actually just rolling out. Here we go. This is an advanced green. No hesitation at all. So yeah, and this is again. We need to further test this because it only happens in a few intersections. So this is a lane ending over here, the one that I'm on, and it does detect that and it changes lanes. That's very nice. And places ourselves into the highway. So yeah, that's pretty good. So the speed limit over here is incorrect. It's 60, but the speed limit on this highway is 100, actually. And this is partly because of this is a new highway, so what recently opened up, especially this sector or this segment of the highway. So yeah, detects now 100 and it goes 110. Okay, so that's pretty good. All right, so folks, hope you folks like this video. Please hit like and please subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. And hope to see you in the next one. Have a nice day.